You just bought a new car, but your leather seats seem to have tiny glitter-like sparkles. Is it a manufacturing defect, or is it completely normal? Let's find out. Many new vehicle owners notice a subtle shimmer on their leather seats, especially in direct sunlight. While it may look unusual, there's usually a perfectly reasonable explanation. Most modern automotive leather receives multiple protective finishing layers. Some manufacturers also incorporate pearlescent or metallic effect pigments to create a richer, more luxurious appearance under changing light. These microscopic reflective particles are permanently sealed within the protective topcoat. They enhance visual depth while helping the leather resist everyday wear, fading, and surface abrasion. The sparkle becomes much more noticeable when sunlight strikes the leather at certain angles. Indoors or under softer lighting, the same seats may appear completely smooth and matte. A glitter-like finish is generally normal. However, if particles rub off easily, the surface feels rough, or you notice peeling or sticky residue, the finish should be inspected by your dealership. Protect the factory finish by using only pH-balanced leather cleaners and a clean microfiber cloth. Avoid abrasive brushes, strong solvents, or household cleaners that may damage the protective coating. If you're unsure whether the sparkle is part of the original finish, compare both front seats under natural daylight or consult your owner's manual and dealership service department. In the vast majority of cases, glitter-like reflections on new leather seats are a normal characteristic of the factory-applied finish, not a sign of poor quality or damage. Have you noticed this shimmering effect on your vehicle's leather seats? Share your experience in the comments, and subscribe for trusted automotive tips, maintenance guides, and expert advice every week.